Before the start of the war, about 20% of global oil and gas supplies passed through the Strait of Hormuz. Now it's a trickle because Iran has effectively shut this crucial waterway. So countries that depended on oil and gas from the region are feeling the pain, but there are others who stand to gain, like Russia, because it does not depend on the Strait of Hormuz. Now, India and China, who have been buying from the Gulf, are now looking to Russia. And President Donald Trump has lifted sanctions on Russian oil at sea. That means countries that risk getting fined for buying Russian oil now have a reprieve. Now, Norway, the war has helped Norway reinforce its position as a major energy supplier across Europe. Its energy companies have been profiting from high prices. African exporters like Algeria and Nigeria also stand to gain. Now, Europe looked to Algeria back in 2022 when the Ukraine war broke out, and Nigeria's geographical position isolates it from any choke point like the Strait of Hormuz. And across the Atlantic, we have Canada, the world's fourth largest oil producer. Now, markets in Asia and Europe are looking at it as a possible alternative. And within the Gulf, we have countries like Saudi Arabia and UAE that have an advantage. Well, they can use the Strait of Hormuz and they use it, but they also have pipelines, but only a fraction of their exports have been able to move through these. And further, we have Iranian drone strikes on refineries that have halted production here. And finally, the country that's at the center of the crisis, Iran. Now, it's managing to supply its customers because it's allowing its vessels to pass through the Strait of Hormuz. But attacks on Kurg Island, which stores vast quantities of crude, may have an impact on its ability to export in future.